Yes.
Hello
Oh,
and welcome to week 7 of
okay.
geometry.
And
I am going to be
mom
going
is
over
the
this
guardian.
week's
When Yassine
announcements
turns
and then we
18, he
will
will have
talk a little bit more
full
about
rights,
what's going on this
and
week.
he will
Um,
actually have to
for this week,
um,
you don't have a
give
lot
permission
of
to
assignments.
attend the art
I know
meeting.
there are
So
benchmarks that are going on
hold
this
your
week.
hands.
The only one
Yeah,
that you really,
I'm sure he's
sophomores
back
should
there
have to take are the English benchmark.
laughing.
But I know obviously it's
Yeah,
not
he
just
said thank
sophomores in
you.
this class, so you could have
Oh,
other
you're
ones that you have
welcome.
to take. Um, on Wednesday is the
Okay.
math benchmark, but you do
So
not have one for
Yassine qualifies
geometry.
for a
So
student
if
with a
you
disability
are
under specific
in
learning
Algebra
disabilities.
1,
We
then
will
you'll
be
be
going
taking that
over
benchmark. So
age-appropriate
make
transition
sure that you're checking with your
assessments
teachers and you
today,
know if you need
and
to
we
take a
will have
benchmark.
some information
We will
from
still be
his
having CC on
math
Wednesday. It's
teacher,
at 9. Okay, make sure that you know
and
that
we're
this is
going over
mandatory,
parent
right?
concerns as
It is
well.
worth 10% of your grade, so that is a big part. It
Something
doesn't seem
just
like a
dinged on
lot,
my
but
computer. I don't know what it was.
it does add up to a lot
His
as the year goes
disability,
on. So make sure that you're
he
covering
does have
that.
a need
If
for
you don't have any
special
benchmarks to
education
take, use
services,
this week to
and
catch
these
up.
are
All
not
right, if you're
based on a
behind,
lack of
then this is a great time to get caught up with all of
instruction
this.
that he's
On
received in the
Friday,
past.
you
They
are
are
going to
on
take the Unit 1, Part
vocabulary
1 and Part
development,
2,
reading
and also
fluency,
know that the discussion closes
oral
on
reading
Friday, so you
skills,
can't
or
submit your
reading
discussion after
comprehension.
that. It
They're
closes
also
for good.
not
It's the only
based on a
assignment
lack of
that cannot be
appropriate
made up
instruction
later,
in
so make sure
math
that you get that done.
or limited English proficiency.
And just as always, remember to submit your assignments by 5 p.m. on the day that they're due, because the zeros will be entered in every day. Some important things to know, that we already talked about, benchmarks for this week. You don't have one for
We're going to
geometry,
go over his
but you do need
present
to check with
levels
your other
of
classes to see if you
functioning,
have one in
and
there.
since our math teacher is
Also,
here, I'm going to do that one first
you need to
and
make
let her
sure
fill
and
me in
sign up for
on
outings. It's a great
how
way
he's
to know
been
other
doing
students in your
in
area. I hope you have a
his
great
math
week.
class.